Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Aquarius Placements. This is your love reading ngayong November. And, tungkol sa person na iniisip mo and sa situation, okay, ninyo. Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo being updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye item for protection, okay? And kay Love Bracelet and kay Granter, and dun sa ating item, new item for cord cutting. So if you're interested, okay, and gusto nyo nung picture, gusto nyo makita kung itsura nung ating item for cord cutting, message lang po. Okay, so okay. Who's the person on your mind, Aqua? Aquarius, who is this person? Anong meron sa kanya, Aqua? The Eight of Wands in reversed. There's blockage in general. Some of you hindi kayo mag-ausap. Sa inyo may literal na naka-block. Okay? Literal na naka-block sa mensahe, or pwedeng binlock kayo nito or binlock ka. Binlock mo. Pwedeng fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. Ano tong Eight of Wands in reverse? Some of you, there's this, sabihin natin, there's this no to little communication. Okay? The Eight of Wands in reverse. The Five of Wands. So, there's drama with this person. Yeah. Pwedeng itong taong to, meron siyang kailangan i-fix. Meron kailangan kayong pag-usapan ng taong to, pero hindi siya nakikipag-usap. Yeah. Some of you, ito this is channeled. Hot-tempered. Itong taong to, may ganun. Okay? Mainitan ng ulo. Laging nangaaway. Parang ganyan. Pero hindi mo malaman yung dahilan kung bakit some of them ganun. Okay? Okay. Yung Eight of Cups. Sabihin natin may pagdistansya na meron. Okay? May distansya sa ngayon. Blockage. There's drama. Okay. So, ano bang situation meron? Anong sitwasyon nyo ngayon? Okay, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So, pwedeng meron ngang napapabayaan dito, no? Okay. Merong parang hindi nabibigyang pansin. Ano tong Eight of Pentacles in reverse? The Ten of Cups. Okay. So, I think, yung hindi nabibigyang halaga dito or hindi napapansin is yung sabihin nating magandang pagsasama. Okay? Magandang pagsasama. Yun parang wala. Yun yung parang hindi na-focusan. Okay? Yeah, lagi na lang away, oh. This is a cycle. Death in reversed. The Ace of Pentacles. Someone wanting na magkaroon ng pagbabago or sabihin nating a new beginning. Okay? Pagdating sa sitwasyon. This is all about drama, problems. Itong taong to lagi lang tumatakbo sa problema. Iiwan ka. Parang ganyan. Iiwanan sa'yo kung ano man meron. Okay? This is like a one-sided connection, Aqua. A one-sided connection. Wala dito, wala akong nakikitang energy ng magandang kooperasyon. Okay? Kumusta naman? Ano bang meron pagdating sa emosyon niya sa'yo? What's their true emotion, Aqua? The Six of Wands in reverse, yeah. Okay. So, for me, emotional for you, they want control over you. Okay? They want to control you. Gusto nila, susundin mo sila, hahabulin mo sila, something like that. This person is selfish, self-centered, yeah, person. Okay? So, tong Six of Wands in reversed. Yeah, the Page of Wands in reversed. All about them. Okay? All about them. A non-committal. Some of you, you're dealing with a younger person or immature. Okay? That is why. Para kang lagi na lang nakikipag-aaway sa kinder, sa nursery. Okay? Para ka lang laging nagsasabi sa bata kung anong kailangan gawin. So, yun nga. May pagkamatigas ang ulo, parang ganyan. Kahit sabihin nating matanda na or what, they're mature. They are immature. Okay? This person, they're all about themselves. Okay? Parang focus is sa kanya lang dapat. Napaka-selfish. Yeah. Gusto nito lagi siyang sabihin nating sinusuyo. Kahit sabihin nating sila yung gumagawa ng drama. Kumusta naman tong taong to? Madalas sa mga aqua, di ba? Madalas sa inyo. Sabihin nating kapag nabwisit, na anis na, para kang naghihintay sa wala, pagdating sa inyo mga aqua. Ikaw yung parang pinakamagaling mag-ignore, no? Kakawawain kayo ng aqua. Sa totoo lang. Kaya kayo niyang hindi kausapin. Kaya kayo niyang parang gawing hangin na lang. Parang ganun. So, kumusta kaya itong taong to ngayon? Anyway, so if you're in this situation right now, so I guess parang nandun ka pa sa sitwasyon na inaamo-amo pa tong taong to. Okay? Yeah. So, ano ba ang next action niya towards you, Aqua? The Three of Wands. Paghintayin ka. Kung ano man, paghintayin ka, pag-expectin ka, anong meron sa Three of Wands? The Page of Pentacles. Paghintayin ka sa mga gusto mong mangyari. Okay? Some of you, kailangan mo talagang kailangan mo talagang maging guarded from this one. Okay? Because yung iba sa kanila, ang tingin lang sa sarili nila is sila yung may control dito. Sila yung masusunod, hawak nila ang sitwasyon. Yeah. Bakit? This is a one-sided connection na nakikita ko. So, I guess, para tong na-spoiled. Yeah, na-spoiled. Okay, nasanay itong taong to sa'yo. So, kung anong ginagawa mo, pag-intindi mo, pagiging open mo, mga ganyan. Okay. So, paghihintayin ka nito sa, sabihin nating, mga breadcrumb. Okay. Small action. Kahit alam mo naman na kaya nilang gumawa ng big action, big move. Okay? So, talagang titipirin ka niya. Okay? So, anong advice for you? Anong advice? Some of you, this is someone who always blames you. Okay? Kahit sila yung may mali. Yeah. A narcissistic person. A narcissistic person. Okay. So, anong advice for Aqua? The Magician in reverse. Don't let this person manipulate you. Okay? Don't let them. Don't let them control you. Yeah. Death in reverse. Yes. The King of Cups in reverse. Don't let this person manipulate you. The Ten of Pentacles in reverse is a non-committal. Okay, this is a non-committal. Iniisip lang nito sarili nila. Gusto lang nila kung ano man. Kung may ginagawa tong something, their intention is pagdating lang din sa sarili nila. May makukuha sila, something like that. Okay? Ang hilig pang magmatigas ng taong to. Why? Kasi alam nila ikaw ay soft pagdating sa kanila. So, kung ikaw ito na hindi na ganun, very good. Yeah. Kung ikaw yung parang wala nang pakialam sa kanila, so naghihintay itong taong to. Okay? Gagawa itong taong to ng maliliit na aksyon. Titingnan nila kung anong magiging reaction mo. So, ang advice, don't let them manipulate you. Okay? Huwag kayo maniniwala sa mga pag-aagawa nitong taong to kung anong gagawin niya. Okay? Don't let them fool you. They are narcissistic person. They are manipulator. Okay? Yeah. Pinuno mo lahat ng pangangailangan ng taong to. Kahit wala siyang ginagawa, kahit hindi siya nagiging fair sa'yo, pinuno mo. Yeah. I don't blame you. Okay, I don't blame you. Pero kailangan mo malaman yun, kaya ganito siya. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo na. Sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Aqua. Okay. Aquarius. All signs. Okay. Aries. Being guarded. Alam niya ginagawa niya. Okay. Taurus. They're not open emotionally. Immature pagdating sa emosyon. Okay. Gemini, they're regretting. They're upset. Some of them, they're depressed. I don't know why. Cancer, there's this cycle. Some of you, they want to come back. They want to make a return. Leo, they're dropping you. Okay, some of them, they want to see, they want you to see na they're dropping you. Virgo, nakikita ka nitong Virgo na to na may potential sa inyo. Okay, sa inyong dalawa. Or changes na pwedeng mangyari. Libra, they need you. Yeah, they need you. Scorpio, they want to talk. They want to talk. They want to communicate. Sagittarius, they love you unconditionally. Capricorn, their back is turned. Yeah. They're avoiding toxic kung ano man, or maybe you have to avoid this Capricorn. Aqua, healing, endings. Okay. Pisces, they miss you. Yeah, they miss you. Okay. Lalo na kung merong Pisces na parang nagpaparamdam. Okay. Nung mga nakaraan. Okay, they miss you. So again, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Aquarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!